Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a birdshot photos in the ASUS ROG Phone 6D. So in the first step, open the camera app and remember to turn off the 15 megapixels mode. How to do it? Open the settings, then click on the camera resolution and switch the aspect ratio. Then go back to the camera and now just hold the finger on the shutter button. Or maybe you should swipe it right, yeah. You can see we took 19 photos now, and if you want to pick the best one, click on the burst icon. Oh, sorry, here. And now just select the best photos and click save. Now click OK or cancel. And that's it. Now we have only 2 best shots of the burst shot. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.